Hello guys, this is Darshan. Today I'm going to show you how to show the header numbers from the pagination list. I'm using MUI pagination here. The problem is if the user wants to visit to a page number 13 or 14, there is no way except clicking on the next button or clicking on the 5, 6, 7. So what I have done here, if the user clicks on the three dots, user can see the header numbers between the 8 and 20. Look at that. Here we go. So I'm showing the 9 to 19 pages. So if the user wants to visit to a page number 16, you simply click on 16, user can visit to the page. Same here also. If you click on that, you can visit to the 9 or any page you can visit. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna explain a little bit. I'm not gonna explain line by line. I'll share the code, you can get the code and you can practice yourself. I have done this using DOM manipulation, where I'm saying if you click on the click on the any button and right click on that and go to inspect, where you'll find the UL tag. This holds all the numbers, the pagination. So I'm accessing this using a class name which is MUI pagination UL. You can see here I'm getting the UL tag. Then I'm getting all the li tags which are inside the UL tag. You can see here, this is the UL tag. Inside you can see number of li tags. Okay, that is the second line, and then I'm looping through each li tag, and then this line, it's what does it gets the value inside the li tag. What I'm saying here, if you open this, collapse this, it has the 4 numbers, so the value will be 4. That is this code. And then I'm checking, our goal is to get the 3 dots, right? So I'm checking if the value is 3. So if you open this, if you open the, I guess this one, yeah. So it has the div, this is not a button. You can see the difference between the tags. If the page, if the page is number, they're putting the number inside button. If the page, if the content is 3 dots, they're putting the 3 dots inside the div. Okay, so if you can see, this is the value 3 dots. So this is not 3 dot actually. If you type 3 dots, this is not gonna work. You have to copy this and paste it. This is called ellipse. Okay, so I'm just checking. Okay, if the number is this, then come to the next step. Okay. Then I'm creating a new name with ellipse with the help of index and creating an ellipse. Okay, that's fine. And then you can see that each li tag has child components or the tags. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure, okay, if the child has a length, yeah, of course it has a child length. Then I'm going to the next one, which is div. I told you, for the 3 dots they are using div, for the numbers they are using button. Okay, so I'm using chord selector, I'm getting the div tag, then I'm setting the set attribute value, data value. Data value is a way to add a value to an HTML tag. Okay, so using this data value you can add a value. So that means I'm gonna add a value to the div tag. Okay, later on I will get the value from that. Then I'm adding, I have a hook there. I'm pushing the value to that. Okay, same do here also. Next, I'm using this e.target. This is get the pagination value function should come to for the on click, not for the on change. So if you console the e.target value, you can see, I'll show you that. Wait, console.log. Look what happens here. Clearing this. See, we're showing you this is what you will get the target. Okay, it returns the the HTML tag. So currently you can see the div. So I clicked on this first. I clicked on this, and then when you clicked on this, what I'm doing here, I'm setting an attribute data value. You can see here it has the value data value. I set ellipse 7. I'm just creating a value to that. That way I can access later on. Okay. Yeah, that is what I'm doing here. So here I'm getting the value. This is the way to access the data attribute, data value attribute. So I'm getting the value from this div tag. I'm checking this. If it is not null. Okay, next I'm going to explain what is shown in page numbers function. This function will call when the page numbers and clicked ellipse hooks change. Okay, so I'm going to explain what it does. First of all, I'm clicking on this. Okay, just click on that. So I'm consoling this values, see the pages. So you can see the pages 1 2 3 4 5 and the ellipse 7. It's gonna 7, and then you can see clicked ellipse 7. So that's the value which is here. So I'm gonna test the value, the index. I'm gonna test the index from the page numbers array. So if it is not equal to -1, then I'm gonna fetch the left side value, which is 5, and the right side value will be 20, and then I'm gonna get the values. I'm gonna get the between numbers by looping through this, and then I will push the value to this array. Finally, I will set the array to this hook. Then lastly, I will list down, I will loop through that, I will map the numbers in a span tag. That is what you're seeing here. Okay, that's what you're seeing, the between numbers. Okay, that's it. Hope you understood what I explained. If you didn't understand any point, you can leave a comment. I will share this code in the description and you can practice yourself. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.